Welcome back there, YouTube. I've spent my money on this very heavy piece of equipment. I bought a 34-1 HD Turbo 400 transmission from Hughes Performance. That boy was expensive. Also, doesn't have any of the accessories, no kickdowns, no speedo gear. Still waiting to get the dipstick and the kickdown. However, today I have speedo parts. Never installed a speedo gear. I don't think I have all the nuts and bolts. So that's going to be our job for today, is to put this on the transmission. Now, I have a metal gear and I have a plastic gear. They're both the same gears, but I don't think I want to press this on. I think I want to use the plastic one with the little metal clip. So I think that's what we're going to end up doing. But we got to unpackage this dude. It's kind of cold out here today. So we're going to unpackage him. I also got a torque converter. 3,000 stalls, what we got. So let's unpackage this dude and see what we're getting into. All right, here's our build sheet. A little weight to him. All that beautiful beam footage. Well, it looks like I'll have to use the metal one. The plastic one doesn't even fit on there, so we're gonna do this real slow like. So we got the metal speedo gear pressed on. So now we're gonna close him up. Okay, so we have managed to get the exhaust off and the drive shaft out. So right now I was letting the oil drain out. What little bit there is coming out right now. So I think what I'm gonna do while I'm waiting on the oil to drain is I'm gonna throw a little bit of paint up here just to make it look a little bit better. If you squint, it's mint. Okay, so we got the cross member bolts out of the transmission. We got the torque converter bolts out. Now we're about to, I gotta go to the store, get a bigger swivel, because the one that I have is for a 1/2-inch drive, and I need one for a 3/4 drive, so that I can get to these bolts back here. So I gotta go to the store for that, but we almost ready to pull this dude out and then reverse the process and put the big one in there, the Turbo 400 in there. So I'm gonna go to the store, get me something to eat, and then be back at it. And we're back. I don't know why the light just fell off. Hang on. Okay, well, f you then. Ooh-wee. All right. Shit. So, I got the transmission in there. Wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. It's a good thing, right? But we still got a ways to go. So, problem is, let me show y'all what I'm working with here. Problem is that this dude it's not stiff enough, right? So what I do is I take a little black tape, just a little bit, kind of run it up on there, give me a little support. I said it'll still flop around, it'll take a little bit more pressure though. See what I'm saying? So now when you get it on there, it's not gonna be flopping all around and falling off. You better get on there a little bit easier. It's just what I found out to help me work. So, got the transmission in. Just need to put the dipstick in it and get the screw for the speedometer cable hold down, and it should be complete. So I still have some work to do. I still need to go and change the downpipe. I was looking at it today. I think I know how I need to do it. It's just to do it, right? So what I think I'm gonna have to do is take the turbo off, take the manifold off, grind down the exhaust manifold, little exhaust manifold heat cover boss, the little place for the screw. I need to shave that down. But if I'm going to go that far and pull the manifold off, I'm going to wrap it in exhaust manifold. I was actually looking at it today. So I'll probably order that with my transmission cooler, because I'm gonna put a transmission cooler on here, and a couple other little odds and ends. I'm gonna buy some couple other little parts and pieces. But yeah, transmission's in. I'm gonna put this transmission for sale because it's fucking brand new, like no fucking miles on it. It's got red Alto clutches in it, so it's fucking be a really good transmission for somebody. Really fucking solid transmission. So, but I have to look and see if the dipstick will actually work on the Turbo 400. I hope it does, because that'll alleviate me from having to buy one. So, but I think that's going to do it for this one. It's probably going to be a short one. I appreciate y'all watching. Thank y'all. Stay tuned, because there's more coming. Thank you.